Hey everyone! Yeah, I'm back with another travel vlog. This travel vlog is about one of the most unique union territories of the incredible country of India. Of course, I'm talking about the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Their significance is mainly due to their gorgeous beaches and colorful wildlife. So, today I'll be providing you with an invaluable insight of an ideal summer vacation spot. Bring on the magnificent magic of these islands. As I mentioned, the crystal clear beaches are a true must-see part of Andaman. The cool, refreshing waters are truly an amazing relaxation and entertainment spot. The Elephant Beach in Andaman even provides fun water activities like jet ski and snorkeling. It's a spectacular way to spend a summer's day. Don't you agree? On my trip, I even saw these little crabs that were using colorful shells as their own ones. Oh, and did I mention that the beaches are ideal places for taking some stellar pictures? That's not the only part of Andaman though. This island is a place that carries both pleasant and horrifying experiences. And to honor the fearless fighters of this country, I'll be showing you the place of brutality, where the echoes of freedom will never be drowned. Yes, I am talking about the cellular jail in Andaman, built by the Britishers but long since abandoned. In this jail, one freedom fighter of India stood above all due to his everlasting vows of freedom. And he is, of course, Veer Savarkar. The jail was divided into 7 wings, totally consisting of 699 terrorizing cells. This jail is a true testimony to our freedom fighters' enemies' sacrifices for our country. Well now, stepping away from the dark tales, let's dive into yet another peaceful part of Andaman. It's wildlife. After going on many bumpy ferry rides and speedboats, we arrived on Baratam Island, a place where the mangrove forest and the limestone cave reside. The trek to the cave is about 1.5 kilometers long, and on the trip, we see the dense mangrove forest. The vibrant colors and the greenery there is breathtaking. And as you step into the limestone cave, you see the stunning works of art of nature, shaped into shells, lotuses, and even lion claws. This limestone cherishes, shining with beauty like no other. And so, Baratam Island is a true must-visit too. Here, I wrap up my travel vlog. This trip really showed me the power of a human's will and how we can truly achieve the impossible. It also showed me how the forces of nature play with one another to create magical and mystical settings that will actually leave you breathless. So make sure to visit this island for your summer vacation this time. Wait, don't forget to hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. Goodbye!